Hi everyone, today we are going to do something a little bit different. We're gonna read some tweets in Spanish from real people, from real Spanish speakers. We're going to read tweets about love, amor. So the tweets have the word amor. And also, obviously, they're talking about love. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase some flashcards. This supports this channel a lot if you purchase a flashcard set, and also the most important thing is that you learn Spanish on the go. You can just bring this with you everywhere, and you can even use them as keychains. That's amazing. You can download them, and from there you can print them out, laminate them, and so on. You can purchase one today and download it immediately as soon as you purchase these flashcards. You can purchase this on smlessons.com and also on my Etsy shop. I'm leaving all the links down below. Another way to support this channel is by getting a membership. All the perks are right here, and you can get one by clicking on the join button down below as well. Okay, let's get started. So, let's read the first tweet. This tweet is from Cultura Bang, and it says, Yo sigo creyendo que todo lo que necesitas es amor, pero no creo que con decirlo baste. John Lennon. We can see that someone is saying or sharing a quote by John Lennon. A very nice quote about love. So do you know what this means? We can see here that love is right here, or amor rather. Okay, so the meaning of this tweet is, I still believe that all you need is love, but I don't think saying it is enough. Let's break this down. Yo sigo creyendo que, I still believe that todo lo que necesitas, all you need es amor, is love. Pero no creo que, but I don't think that, or just, but I don't think, con decirlo baste. Saying it is enough. Let's read the whole tweet again. Yo sigo creyendo que todo lo que necesitas es amor, pero no creo que con decirlo baste. John Lennon. I still believe that all you need is love, but I don't think saying it is enough. Okay, so that's the translation of the quote. And do you know this quote already? I'm pretty sure it's a very popular one because it was said by John Lennon. But yeah, this is very interesting how people in Spanish, Spanish speakers share quotes from English, from the English language. So that's very, very interesting. We can see how that quote translates into Spanish. Okay, let's see the next tweet. Nunca vas a entender cuánto amor me costó dejarte ir. Nunca vas a entender cuánto amor me costó dejarte ir. So, amor, right? We can see that the word love is there. And do you know the meaning of this tweet? Do you have any idea what this tweet is about? This tweet means, you will never understand how much love it cost me to let you go. So we can see someone is sad, someone is a little depressed, maybe this person had a rough time to let someone go. And let's break this down. Nunca vas a entender You will never understand. Cuánto amor. How much love. Me costó. It cost me. Dejarte ir. To let you go. Okay? So that's very, very, very interesting how this person is expressing their sadness in this way. This is the translation of this tweet, and it's very interesting how people express their feelings in Spanish. That's very, very interesting. Okay, let's see another tweet. Do you see the word love in this tweet? Amor. It's right there. So, let's read it. Yo he vivido la ilusión de saber que me voy a casar con el amor de mi vida. Esta ilusión que se merecen todos. It's very interesting that when you use the symbol at in Spanish, I don't know if it's the same in English, but if you use it in a word, that means todos and todas. So feminine and masculine. Okay, so that's very, very interesting. Todos or todas. And also we can see another at symbol here. Las or los que quieren celebrar el amor. Here's another amor y el compromiso. Contando las horas. Do you know what this means? This is a very long tweet. Okay, let's see what this tweet means. I've lived the illusion of knowing that one day I will marry the love of my life. This illusion that all who want to celebrate love and commitment to serve. Counting the hours. Whoa, this is a very, very long tweet, and we are talking about an illusion, a dream, something very romantic. And let's break this down because it's a long one. Yo he vivido la ilusión. I've lived the illusion de saber que, of knowing that. We can see that one day is not in the tweet, but I just added that to, make sense. De saber que, of knowing that, me voy a casar con el amor de mi vida. I will marry the love of my life. Esta ilusión, this illusion, que se merecen todos las que quieren celebrar el amor y el compromiso. That all who want to celebrate love and commitment deserve. Okay? That's a long sentence by itself. Contando las horas. Counting the hours. As we can see, this person didn't use the upside down exclamation mark. We can see some exclamation marks here, and that's very common in Spanish. Some Spanish speakers just use the exclamation mark just like people do in English at the end of sentences. But the correct grammar is to add the exclamation mark at the beginning of the sentence and at the end of the sentence. But some people don't do that. And that's it. Wow. This tweet was very long. It's very interesting. Imagina encontrar amor y amistad en la misma persona. This is a short tweet. That's very good as well. This means imagine to find love and friendship in the same person. Okay, let's break this down. Imagine, encontrar amor, to find love, y amistad, and friendship, en la misma, in the same persona, person. So that's very good. That's like an ideal situation. where you find love and friendship in the same person, you know, a complete package. That's amazing. That's amazing to find someone that can love you and also is your best friend. That's very good. Yeah, that's a very nice tweet. Let's see the next one. Todo con amor siempre. Todo con amor siempre. This is another short tweet and it means all with love, always. Okay? Todo con amor, all with love, siempre. Always. Essentially, this person is saying, just do everything with love, you know? Don't do it in an angry way, just with love. Always, siempre. Todo con amor, siempre. And I agree with this tweet as well. All with love, always. Right? The last tweet is, cuando uno es feliz y tiene amor en su corazón, no quiere ni pretende hacerle daño a nadie. This is a longish tweet, and it means when you are happy and have love in your heart, you don't want or intend to harm anyone. It's true. I think this is a very, very wise tweet. And let's break it down. Cuando uno es feliz, when you are happy, so we see here that we're using uno instead of tú, right? And that's a very common thing to do. So, for example, you can say cuando uno es feliz, when you are happy, or when someone's happy. Cuando uno es malo, when someone is bad, when you're bad. You know, so that's very interesting how in Spanish, you know, there's a lot of variables. You can say the same thing in different ways, just as in any other language. So, uno, cuando uno, when someone, when you, right? Let's move on. Y tiene amor, and have love en su corazón, in your heart. No quiere, you don't want, ni pretende or intend hacerle daño, to harm, a nadie. Anyone. A nadie. Okay? So this is a more complex tweet, as we can see. But that's how Spanish speakers express themselves. So that's why it's very good to read tweets or to, you know, hear or read how people express themselves in Spanish. Yeah. Let's read it again. Cuando uno es feliz y tiene amor en su corazón, no quiere ni pretende hacerle daño a nadie. When you are happy and have love in your heart, you don't want or intend to harm anyone. Okay, that's very, very good. I agree with that tweet as well. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about what we read in the comment section down below. Any comment as well is welcome, and any suggestions as well for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com to purchase and download amazing flashcards. All the links are in the video description down below. Also, you can find more free Spanish lessons on smlessons.com. Remember that you can get a membership on this channel. That will be amazing if you can get one. All the perks are right here. If you want to get a membership, just click on the join button down below. Another way to support the channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up, or also donate through PayPal. The link to that is also in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!